You think the laws work? You know why people love America? Do you know why people love United Kingdom? It's because the laws work. Irrespective of whoever you are, whether you are rich or poor, the law will still defend you. If you are right, the law will defend you. If you are wrong, the law will come after you and deal with you. This is what we are talking about. And your papa got a bottle I take the condom. Nkawuki anwo kwasia. Wabejina say me compare America and then Ukraine kind of Ukrainian answer. Abua why the Tigana wa war your man is $250 a week and I a month. Why? Abua wo finance minister yari wo two we go to crime by America wo finance minister yari no wo two kind Kennedy Japan yari wo America. Abua compare about infrastructure too. Compare infrastructure. Compare about the minimum wage. Compare about the education system. Compare. That is when we know you are doing journalism. Don't go and take a portion and say America, a man for be that bantene. Abua. Who ankasa we video on for swag. On what abantene one in a crime flex it. What abantene or riding a bicycle or when food stamps. Kana busa I say a man for did when the food stamps here compared to an imped. Obi Korea 5 city wakwa them. Politician to me sika bebre so what Akufo Addo the entire GDT so oba and kan kofo no was yes Mahama mo aye bokro no enko be chichichi wo nyina tu na sette no raise bar no mu be status here follow Kennedy Japan so atame hunu say no papa we nsem bi wo papa na nsem me follow ni BM because look honestly I like him and I respect him because he's a Santa Clausian, but look, some of his ways are not the ways I like. But Akufo Addo man kofa story eh na mama we ne to so eh papa we oba we ne no fo so just say jimi enko na de free breakum because papa kote bottle condom a wotoye woto condom fofofo 10 pesos condom the kote bottle no te eye condom no na eja ne ho nsugu maame ase a ye de awo obi te se Akufo Addo ma wonwane na nka wonim nyansa nka you compare infrastructure to Kawunim nyansa nka you compare the hospitals too say nka wonim nyansa nka you compare the educational sector too say wonim nyansa nka you compare the minimum wage of the American. Abena would say America for enam akosalai Ghana. Ko Ghana embassy. Ko hen ko for asalai. Ko hen America for embassy. What did the Kennedy Japan and country o? Abua. Ko na ko hen Kennedy Japan story. O say America lottery and many years kenin. Obi kurom keke lottery keke ama obi ayo de for. Abua. Abena what say ye Ghana lottery ama America for ba Ghana. Ama obi say why they are or the further that be. Kona kwhwe de Kennedy ka. Ono de odi America ho dance ye pa. Any Kennedy, honorable Santa Claus, I like the guy. He has his own swag, he has his own nenso, but I like him. Take no ways about it. Nenso bi wo. Yes, nenso dey buy beka because insuro no. Who is he? Onye nipa. Me say mrebia ono no dampem e wo e friend say ayi committee 12 ye mu bi ne yakobom mpa ye de ma no a otimi sorry o wie ye ya damfo ye papa Prophet Charles whatever ono de also on tia sorry because ono say wo hu de nti obetia sorry ono so cry on pesika Prophet Charles o wie na Kennedy be che no tundra oso ompe o wie na de Kennedy tundra na sa ma na say o wi amempe nyankopon say ma menji ka bi emfiri wo enim de nti a sa asem no oba ye obekan ana o de ka ne che. Yes, papa no you skinny or you hear mu here or your prophet or hear nipa. Atana Kennedy to me nante. No dampem. Papa no ko bompa ye man nante. Se papa ne boa. Oboa dia Dr. Remboa. Tienie. Ta ben we unu sa amanfo asalai. Amanfo asalai say ye ko akosalai. E kope visa aba Ghana for America. Kofi. Unka Ghana nsem wie yo. Onyemu abrekumfo fam unka wie ye. Awokyere abrekumfo nemu Kofi unka wie yo. Insuo papa abrekumfo nyanom Kofi unka wie ye. Electricity a eni brekum Kofi unka wie ye. Kofi amanfo nya adwuma nya wo brekum Kofi unka no wie yo. Yenko ka America de wo de be compare. Na wadwene ye adwuma. How can you compare the kings with the slaves? How can you? How can you compare a king and a slave? We have not reached there. Don't go and compare. Yes, America, people choose to sleep outside. It is a choice. And the culture said there's housing deficit in America if they want to house people. Baby, I would try, and it was Las Vegas. Utu weni abele, utu weni a friend is saying, a friend is saying, Los Angeles, no, what a friend is saying, utu weni a Hollywood, no, utu weni, no, just understand where you are. Understand where you are. So where you are, no, are people are who are no, or you're millionaire, and maybe or no, he has gone bankrupt. Obi wa no, he is what a drug addict. Obi wa no, abrabono, and fano, onya kro benya biade, onya opediani dia, ediani na. A country called America. Do you know how many Ghanaians live in America? How many Americans live in Ghana coming to do cleaning? How many? Da bena unu so broni bi nam Ghana. Ano wabe pe juma obrekum. Ejuma wabe pe ni cleaning. Ano waye cleaning. Ano dia top ejapade wa America. Da bena unu American citizen. Awo free America. Abeti na brekum. Awo ye cleaning. Awo nye sike free cleaning mu. Edi akwata na America. Ato ejapade Kofi. Kachere me. Kofi, catch me. When have you heard say there is American citizens abrofufita omutu kwan free a United States of America and ombetina Ghana and omoye cleaning and omenye sike free cleaning nim one city omaka bom and omde abeto ejapade ewa America. Catch me. I want to know, Kofi. How many times have you heard in your own oberiasi that ben and I would taste sesebio that ben I would taste sesebio obit America who would plane ticket plane ticket no or could die a friend is a mountain prayer fest or could die mountain prayer fest and or pay Ghana visa because of America or Ghana into a cobom pay ye 30 days a quantre. And a man pastor and a man for 30 days and will call embassy because of a so about Ghana. Ni pane pursue free America ba that Ben na wundi what Akufo Addo me what yes obi American citizen broni fita or bagana keke or koda mountain prayer fest and or bompaye and or ba Ghana embassy and a Ghana High Commission and obenya visa e de ba Ghana da ben what be da ben and what is and same way be da da ben na wuti we a journalist and now we a journalist pa meaning and also answer your word a teacher and you know read and write in there which you are quite cheap. But I just want to ask you, Kofi Addo, when have you heard say obroni fita koko broni fita and yes American ni America tuntum for bi na make come asemo nya pan African America for no omote say ye no me dey make broni fita wono what your friend is saying Massachusetts what your friend is saying cities bebre California na or North Carolina or your friend Alaska what your friend is Washington DC or say me bagan enti me ko bompaye ewe dumfa because of a Ghana passport or a Ghana visa abeye juma. How many times da ben what to be da e bin si